Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and today we're going to make a really fun craft. Now this week we're going to be celebrating Kwanzaa, and Kwanzaa is a holiday that the African American community celebrates, and it begins on December 26th and it ends on January 1st. So when you get your packet, you'll have some information about the Kwanzaa colors, and you'll have a Kwanzaa mix and match sheet that you're going to talk about with your family and match the 7 principles of Kwanzaa. So, here we go. In your packet, you're going to get something that looks like this. And it's clothes, all kinds of clothes. Shoes, hats, tops, bottoms, okay, a vest. You're going to get that. And then, are you ready for this? 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Something is missing, and you got it. Uh-oh, where is the clothing? So, what you're going to do is you're going to cut your doll out, and you're going to decide what you want to dress your doll in, and you're going to put those clothes on your doll, and you can make 2 dolls. There's plenty of clothes and shoes and hats, and you can make your very own. Now, this one, as you can see, is on the front of a card. And we even used some little black yarn to make hair. And there's one. And you can put yours on the outside of a card if you want to. And this person wrote a really nice little note. This was made by somebody, some child that was here at the library. And there's that one. And then we have one on colored paper. And again, they wrote, Happy Kwanzaa. So you can put your dolls like that. And here's even another one. And they're all kind of different a little bit and made by different people. So when you get your doll and when you get your clothes, get these dolls dressed. They need some clothes and quick. So have a happy Kwanzaa. Celebrate with your family. Learn all about Kwanzaa and make some cute little dolls. Thanks, everybody.